Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently without the 30 days. So the first thing you need to do is to open TikTok app and then go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, click on the menu, which is the three lines, and then settings and privacy. Go there and then click on account. Once you do that, you can see the option saying deactivate or delete account. So click on it, and then TikTok is going to ask you if you want to deactivate your account or you want to delete it permanently. So you will need to click on the second option, and then TikTok is going to ask you to confirm the reason. You can just skip it, and then you will have the opportunity to download your TikTok data. So if you want to do so, you can request download, but that's gonna take a while. So you will need to wait for the download to finish and then continue to delete your account. You can choose not to download your data and just continue with deleting the account. If you choose to delete it, TikTok is gonna deactivate it for you for 30 days, and then it's gonna be deleted permanently. I'm afraid there isn't a way that you can cancel this 30 days period. So it's gonna be deactivated and then deleted.